Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check that your Baseus Bowie H1 are charging. And we can check it by the LED light at the right ear cup near to the USB-C port. Right here we have the LED light. Just connect your headphones to the power. And if you see the LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. We cannot use the application to check it. I mean, you can open the application and check how much battery you have, and then try to fully charge your headphones and then check then. But automatically when you connect your when you start to charge your headphones, these headphones turn off. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!